How to reset your Virgin Media booster. Step 1. Make sure your booster is plugged into the power outlet and turned on. Step 2. Find the reset button on your Virgin Media booster. It's usually a small pinhole size button on the left or right side of the device. Step 3. You might need a paper clip or something similar to press it. Step 4. Press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. The lights will blink, indicating the reset is in progress. Step 5. Release the button and wait about 2 minutes for the booster to restart. The lights will turn steady when it's ready. And that's it, your Virgin Media booster is reset.